Hi. So I don't see a lot of videos on the arms of E36. How do you remove them? This one, if it's serviceable. Let me show you the new one. This is the new one. Goes in here. So it's like this. Let me show you. It goes like this. So I'm trying to remove this without any special tools. I just cut this one with the angle grinder. I heat it a little bit, this one, just a bit of brake cleaner and lighter, and just heat it. And now I'm just getting a socket. Let's see the size of this. 36, this one, 36 millimeters. It doesn't show it a lot, but 36. It's the exact same size here. Here is 49 millimeters. The size of here, from this side to here, it's 49 millimeters. So I get this one, have a little bit of play, and just hammer it now. And it's going out. I thought I need to cut here, but nope. You will need to hammer it completely. So I'll show you how to do it now. As you can see, it went more. Hit my 36. With those tire, and it's up. So that's how you remove it. You just cut here, heat a little bit here outside, and just hammer it. Now maybe I need to press this. I'll see. But that's how you remove it. So for those of you wondering how you insert the new one, just a piece of pipe, a hollow one. You can see it with the torch maybe. Okay. There's the ball joint inside. I pull it these tabs on the inside and light horizontal to the arm. And now I just see if I can do it with my hand. It's very heavy. So I'll show you the finished result. Of course, this one is bigger than the hole over here, so that it can push way further. So this is the finished result after pressing it with the orientation of the arm. You can see this part is mug. I can show you the number if you want. This is the part number of the ball joint, and now I put inside after lubricating here the pulley bush. Thanks, like and subscribe. See ya.